If your Xiaomi phone is slow, stuck, or has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or data issues, a hard reset can help. It also wipes data if you forget your PIN or password. Today, we'll show you 6 easy and secure ways to hard reset your Xiaomi phone. Part 1. What can I do before I hard reset my Xiaomi phone? Backup data, use Mobikin or cloud services, sync accounts, check settings accounts, remove SD card, prevent data loss, charge phone, above 50, note info, right? Important settings, unlink accounts, avoid FERP issues. Part 2. How to hard reset Xiaomi with a computer-enhanced method. Mobikin Eraser for Android guarantees a thorough and flexible hard reset of your device, ensuring that its data is irretrievable by nearly all professional recovery tools. This application is compatible with a range of Xiaomi. Download and install the data erasing software on your computer. Connect your Xiaomi device via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Launch the software and follow the on-screen instructions to detect your device. Select Erase from the main interface. Choose a security level and confirm by entering Delete. Click Erase again. Options include Low Level for data recovery prevention, Medium Level for media files, or High Level for comprehensive protection. The software will start erasing data based on your chosen level. To reset system data and settings. Follow the instructions and click Continue to permanently remove all data. Part 3. How to hard reset Xiaomi or Redmi without a computer. 5 other ways. 3. 1. Using device settings. Go to Settings, About Phone. Select Factory Reset. Click Erase all data. Enter your password, PIN, or pattern. Confirm with Factory Reset. 3.2. Using recovery mode. When locked, press power, then power off. Hold power and volume up. Release power at logo. Keep volume up. In recovery mode, navigate to wipe data or factory reset with volume buttons. Select with power. Choose Wipe all data. Confirm Go back, then reboot. 3.3. Using ADB tool. Press power plus vol down on Xiaomi phone to enter fastboot. Connect to PC via USB. Use ADB fastboot tool. Open command window. Type fastboot W. Then fastboot reboot. 3.4. Using TERP. Press power plus vol up for 10 seconds on off device to start custom recovery. In main menu, pick wipe. Then advanced wipe. Check all except vendor, OTG, SD card. Swipe to wipe. Go back. Tap reboot. Then system. 3.5. Using Find My Device. Access Find My Device online or via app. Log in with the link Google account. Select your Xiaomi phone from the list. Click Erase Device to reset it. Confirm the action to start the reset.